Hi guys, so unboxing of Junior Explorer 2. This is the Junior smartwatch, brand new. Okay, so the features are safe zone alerts via geofencing, second habit formation smart scheduler, family chat hub, 14-inch TFT display, IP68 waterproof, battery capacity 950 mAh, SOS alert, noise coins and badges, and call whistling. So these are the features, and the color is frost pop. So let's unboxing quickly.
And version is Explorer 2.
The version is Explorer 2.
No.
Tear here to start your adventure.
Arre.
Yes, like that. Okay. Oh wow,
बॉक्स में है
complex.
अरे खुल गया वाह
So this watch will come in this box. Okay, this is box is very nice. Thank you Noise for perfect packing. Hello, my name's here, and you will get wow. Okay. So fun begins here. In this box nothing is there.
इसमें कुछ तो होगा
This box we have this box. Okay, in that let me open this one. So you will get one charger. Okay, and you will get one
स्टिकर
SIM ejector. Okay, so this is the protected film. Okay, one, and this is the warranty card. Okay, and this is the SIM ejector tools. Okay, small, you can see like that. Okay, so be safely open, and this is our watch. Okay, and this is SIM tray. Okay, so we can open from this one. Okay, and this is the watch. So to be continued. Okay, the function will be we will discuss in the next video. Thank you so much. Bye bye.